Your Wi-Fi modem router, or that Wi-Fi thingy with the flashing lights, is the heart of your home or business's internet. It distributes Wi-Fi and internet signals and speeds to all of your devices, so it is imperative for performance that this device is not overlooked. In this video, we will highlight the Wi-Fi modem router types and show you how to size them correctly, achieving the best Wi-Fi performance for your home or business. In creating the ideal internet and Wi-Fi experience, we need to address three areas. 1. Your internet and Wi-Fi demand and the devices connected like TVs, laptops, mobile phones, cameras and doorbells, etc., and their internet and Wi-Fi requirements. 2. Sizing, the size of your premises and the number of units to adequately cover your area. And 3. Your budget and what solution meets that. Our internet and Wi-Fi demand is an ever-increasing thing. We are connecting more things to our Wi-Fi networks, and our demands are increasing to the point that according to the NBN, the average household is exceeding 500 gigabytes of data usage a month. Therefore, in choosing a Wi-Fi modem router, it must be of Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, or the very latest Wi-Fi 7 standard with mesh functionality. A thing to note, like a mobile phone, anything older than say 5 to 6 years or 2019 might be time to upgrade. Oh, and if your premises is upgrading from fiber to the node to fiber to the premises, you will need to upgrade. After connecting to the NBN system, the Wi-Fi units of today can be wirelessly connected together to extend the Wi-Fi coverage in your premises. All they need is power. In this image, we can simulate a one-story house or townhouse, a one-story house with a backyard and pool, a two-story house and a two-story house with a backyard and pool. Now let's size these up to the manufacturer's specifications with the NBN connection box in a typical location at the front corner of the house. The one-story house or townhouse would be sized with one Wi-Fi unit. The one-story house with a backyard and pool would be sized with two Wi-Fi units. The two-story house would be sized with two Wi-Fi units. And the two-story house with a backyard and pool would be sized with three Wi-Fi units. Now, a few tips and tricks for installation of these Wi-Fi units are elevated off the floor and as centrally located as possible. Also, make sure they are away from mirrors, microwaves, metal cabinets, fish tanks, and not located in high traffic areas. Now, if getting multiple units doesn't match your budget today, remember that our systems are expandable, so grab one unit now and the other unit later. At First Internet and Wi-Fi, we know that budget and quality are key, and to make it easier to choose, we have labelled our Wi-Fi modem routers as good and great. So add your internet and Wi-Fi usage with your unit and budget requirements, and you will have an awesome internet and Wi-Fi solution that works exactly where you want. We hope this video answered your questions and are ready to address any further questions you may have. Just follow the contact links on our website. Thank you.